Okay, welcome back to Turbo Bob's Bicycle Blog. I'm here at Cycle Quest in Sorrento Valley, and they've got quite a lot going on. So let's have a look at what we can see here at Cycle Quest. Alright, right off the bat we can see they got a great selection of miscellaneous things. Let's see, there's Eric behind the counter, Tim back there cranking some bikes. Let's see what they got here. Yeah, this group's kind of more into the more serious cycling than me personally. They've got some nice looking bikes over here, some cross bikes from Surly. Some Salsas. I saw the Mucklucks over there. Get over to that section a bit. Got a couple beautiful tandems by Motion. Let's see, looks like they got a great repair facility over here. They're big on the Bike Fridays. This one up front even has disc brakes. Those look like some great bikes. Okay. Some Opus bikes, real classic style on those. A Surly Salsa fat tire bikes. Just been loving those fat tire bikes lately. Let's see. There's a good looking line of bikes there. And full suspension mountain bikes. Those look like some nice ones. Rocky Mountains.
I have an old Trek bike that has...
Looks like I'm interfering with a customer action here. Oh yeah, some nice pieces. Oh, look at that frame. Wow. And they got recumbent and folding bike tires. Let's checking out the interesting headlights on this beast here. They're in the dropouts of the handlebars. Okay, well if you get a chance, check out Cycle Quest. I know they put on a lot of group rides. And we see them at a lot of the coalition meets. So they sponsor a lot of stuff. We saw them recently at a big event in Encinitas where they were celebrating the safer bike lanes. Alright, well thanks for watching. Check out Cycle Quest.
Yeah, my